I received this for free. How's it going? This robot vacuum is actually really good, especially compared to some of the other low budget options that I have explored in the past. This is a huge upgrade. I am so lazy and spoiled now because of this thing, it's ridiculous. So what sets this apart from almost all of the competition is the fact that it comes with a little handheld remote. So if you don't want to deal with using the app, you don't have to. You can use this thing completely without an app. And I think that's huge. I think that is absolutely a massive selling point for this. However, if you do want to use the app, the setup for that is very easy. You'll just want to grab the Smart Life, pair the robot vacuum and your phone via Bluetooth, add it, and from there you're pretty much good to go. You can view what the robot vacuum is doing, you can send it back to charging, empty it out, customize the suction strength, the mop strength, set cleaning schedules. You can view the Lidar map and customize what parts of the house it should and should not clean, designate rooms and stuff like that. There's all kinds of great options in the app that you can use, but again, it's optional thanks to the remote. Build quality is fantastic. It's nice and hefty. The obstacle detection is fantastic. I've never really noticed this thing ever getting stuck. It works on carpet, hardwood, and tile. I have carpet and tile, and it's able to travel over door thresholds like a champ. Dude, this little guy is able to climb over quite a lot. Another selling point that I'm very thankful for is the fact that not only is it a vacuum, but it's also mops. I don't have to vacuum my house, nor do I have to mop my kitchen anymore. That's incredible. So yeah, this is awesome. It's a very good value, and I think it's a big upgrade over most of the other robot vacuums that I have tried. Super easy to use. There's a lot of customization options. Very versatile.